Guys, mamaya na yung deadline. Tapos na ba kayo? Mamaya na, chill lang. Wait lang, may message ako.
A normal day, just like any other, until one message changes everything.
Hala, na-compromise daw? Ano yan? Legit ba yan? Click mo. For my bank, ata. Click mo na, baka wala pa pera mo.
Scammers rely on panic, so people act without thinking.
Mukhang legit naman.
But the website wasn't real. It was a trap.
Tignan mo nga yung notification mo. Guys, wala na ako ng pera. Bakit? Paano nangyari yan? Yung link ba ng clinic mo? Ano nangyari? Na-click niya kasi yung link, akala niya galing sa bangko, pero hindi pala legit.
Alam nyo, that's phishing.
Phishing? Ano yan? Isda?
Fake message pretending to be real companies to steal your infos.
So, kasalanan ng link.
Not just the link. It's they help trick people. Remember this. First, don't trust urgent message. Second, always check the website link. Third, never enters on suspicious page. And lastly, ask first before clicking.
Grabe, ang dali lang pala naman nila. Isang click lang.
Next time, iisip mo na ako bago click.
Same, lesson learned.
I learned the hard way, but now I know. And now, you can warn others na.
One click can risk everything, so think before you click.
Phishing. Phishing is when a hacker pretends to be someone trustworthy to trick people into giving up sensitive info. For example, you might get an email that looks exactly like it's from your bank and asks you to click a link to fix the problem with your account. But the link actually takes you to a fake site that looks real. Once you enter your username and password, the hacker gets them instantly. And then the hacker can sell your data on the dark web or do something like identity theft.